Yes, thank you very much. Again, this morning, in the spirit of consolidating our teams in the various counties in the Republic of Kenya and in readiness for the elections of August 9th, 2022, this morning we are pleased to announce that our two candidates in Kiambu County for Senate, Karungo Thang'wa and our Speaker, Stephen Ndishu, after extensive consultations and in the spirit of making sacrifices so that we can build a strong, united, winning team in Kiambu County. These two great gentlemen have agreed that they will cede ground for one another. Our Speaker, the Honorable Stephen Ndishu, who is a seasoned politician with a strong track record, this morning has agreed to cede ground for the young man, Karungo Thang'wa, to fly the UDA Kenya Kwanza flag for Senate in Kiambu County. A feat that will elevate now our Karungo Thang'wa to be the unbeatable candidate for Senate in Kiambu County. I want to congratulate Speaker Stephen Ndishu for being magnanimous and allowing Karungo Thang'wa to fly our flag. I assure my good brother Stephen Ndishu that he will now lead our presidential team in Kiambu County together with other leaders so that we can consolidate the 1.3 million votes in Kiambu County behind the Hustler Nation and behind UDA and the Kenya Kwanza Alliance. I want to also congratulate Karungo Thang'wa for the tremendous effort that he has put in the campaign and in energizing our team in Kiambu County. I assure him that all of us in the party will rally behind him. I want to ask all our supporters in Kiambu County to rally behind Karungo Thang'wa as they do all the other candidates that will be identified through the nomination process that is ongoing in the Republic of Kenya. It is also instructive for the citizens of our country and especially members of UDA to recognize that the party constitution and the nomination rules provide that consensus is an option of arriving at candidates. And that is what has happened this morning with these two, and it has happened also with many others. The other alternative pathway is also through agreement when opinion polls and other instruments have been carried out objectively. And of course, the huge important process of nominations that will be carried out on the 14th is the ultimate process of identifying candidates by allowing our members across the country to vote for candidates of their choice in a democratic, free and fair manner so that again we can identify the rest of the candidates so that we can build the team that will drive the campaign and give us the win on 9th August this year. So for the Kiambu team, my very big congratulations to the supporters of my good brother Stephen Ndishu. I want to ask you the same way Stephen Ndishu has been magnanimous, all the other supporters should join in so that we can rally behind our party and rally behind all our candidates. Thank you very much. God bless you. And let me ask, before Karungo, Stephen, to say a word.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. I want to thank you so much as well for leading the way in reconciling people who are contesting for various positions. The way you are managing contestants, we believe, is the same way that you are going to manage our country when eventually you take the mantle of being our president for the next 5 years. I want to assure you that as your friend of many years, since 1998 when you joined Parliament and you followed me, and you have been friends all these years, I'm going to be in the forefront to lead your campaign in Kiambu County, where you have got 1.3 million votes. And out of these 1.3 million votes, my responsibility will be to get at least 1.2 of those 1.2 million votes, and the rest of the Mount Kenya region as well.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. What I can say, today is a big day, and especially for the people of Kiambu and our party UDA. We have really had discussions and consultations, and I must thank my colleague here, Ndishu, the Speaker Ndishu, whom I've known for a long time. We were with him even in 2017, and he's sitting and agreeing to support me as the next senator of Kiambu County. It is an indication that in our party UDA, we have leaders who are willing to nurture young leadership, and we have leaders who want others to be given the opportunity to lead. Your Excellency, I assure you, this is just one level. Now we remain with the next level, which is August 9th. And I'm going to work with Ndishu and his team, and also my team, to come together with his team so that we can go around Kiambu County looking for votes, not only for myself, but also for you as our president, because we believe you're the next president of this republic. So I thank you, and I want to assure Ndishu, because he had a vision for the county. All those dreams have now been implanted on us, and we will work with them so that we make sure whatever he wanted to achieve as a senator, I'm going to carry that mantle, or carry that flag, and make sure that it happens. So thank you very much, and God bless you.
Thank you. Wonderful. So I think let us leave it there for now. Asanteni sana. And I wish everybody well. Wapi, lete kofia hapo tu.
Yeah, that's very nice. You know, it also creates competition. Yes. Even this, others are also watching. For the sake of the party, just step back and allow, so it builds that confidence that sitting ground is not a sign of weakness. Sitting ground is a sign of strength, actually.